butternut squash planted throughout the fence here, fence line. Doing really good. No complaints. Nice butternut squashes all throughout. And I organic garden, so no, I don't have a problem with anybody who uses you know, Miracle Grow or whatever. To each his own, but I just prefer organic gardening. There's a nice big butternut down there. But what I wanted to show you, I got these, what are they called, trombone squash this year. And these things, and I got them, I planted them because I heard they were, the squash bugs didn't like them. You know, and I'm so tired of dealing with squash bugs. So I'm trying to eliminate plants. I know I have the watermelon, and they love those, but, or not the watermelon, the pumpkin. You know, but that just came up on its own. And anyways, I got this trombone squash. Don't ask me to pronounce the real name. We're not going to do that. It's a little tricky. But look at this guy. Look at these. So prolific. Not a single squash bug to be found on any of these leaves. And they're just, this plant is just loaded. I've already harvested 2 of them. And it looks like there's going to be a ton more. Oh, look at this guy right here. Yeah, we're going to have to harvest him real soon. He's pretty massive. You know, there's my hand. And he goes down there quite a ways. And I ran out of room on the fence, so I had to build this little, oh, there's more. Oh yeah, I've got them intermingled with the butternut squash as well. They seem to do really well together. But I had to put up this other makeshift arch using a little branch and 2x4 over there so it could have somewhere to go. They're so prolific that, you know, this guy's just going crazy. Look at him. Look at, and there's just something there, you know, another one there. More, just everywhere. And I've got to get this picked right here so we can send more energy to the other fruit here. Anyways, yeah, loving the trombone squash. Step in the garden here and see what else we got. There's something else I've tried for the first time this year that I'm absolutely loving. Oh, here's the other side of the squash down the fence line. Just your normal standard fence. Anyways, doing really